Yo, I learned this trick like 30 seconds ago or less, so execution's going to be crap, but you get the gist of it. So, to start, throw it. You want to get into an undermount position with your arm in the way. So, same thing like this. Undermount position basically. And he does this sort of weird thing. Pop it out. You want to swing it around your middle finger and land on the string, kind of from the middle finger. Alright. This. Bring this all over your arm and then eventually pop off your elbow. Your elbow's kind of pivotal to this. Your elbow holds it in place until the end and then bring it round. So you keep bringing you basically hold onto the string the entire time. And that's it. Hopefully that holds. Here's an overhead view. So as you can see, the first bit is landing on the string coming off your throw hand finger, and then bringing the string that you've been holding this entire time, that you don't let go of, around and over your arm until it meets at your elbow. So for the GT, what you want to do is roll into this area here, inside, between your arm and the string. So, inside, this string goes on the outside, you bring it up, and then with your arm inside here, you swing around your arm to the outside. Make sure your elbow is locking on the string, and you want to get the string into there, like GT. Let go of everything, and then now you're going to swing GT inside of your arms, putting your first finger in. Then you want to swing it on the outside of your arms, grab with your thumb, and there's GT. Let me try and hit that smoothly. Honestly, this attempt is not that great, but I've known this trick for less than an hour. Maybe with a few more days I could get the GT transition a bit smoother. But yeah. Okay, this attempt is a little bit better, mainly because you get the overhead view. So again, repeater, and then you go inside the string, and then around your arm, and then try and hit that GT. It's pretty difficult to get that momentum from the GT to swinging it around on the inside and outside of your arms, but I think with practice it's possible. Here's a slow-mo to make things a bit easier to see. And that's all I've got. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.